Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Youri Zaritski, Lucidity for All. Today class is about different approaches to lucid dreaming. So the direct approach from waking to sleeping state is the approach that you should temporize and start to work on that on a later stage in your practice, not at the beginning. It's much more worth to spend your time and energy on the other two approaches within the dream state and upon awakenings, where you cancel out all the difficulties of you making the effort to go to bed, and some think it's a meditation. It's not. It's really falling asleep, and but you want to retain your awareness with you as you fall asleep. So it has difficulties. So let's focus on the other two. But before year end, I will teach you everything. Yeah. So upon awakening, so you just wake up, and the goal is to perform any technique. In previous video, just in the playlist, if you look the previous video, I explained the nature of the techniques. So upon awakening, you just wake up and you start performing techniques. The goal is to perform techniques preferably without moving the body and without opening your eyes. The reason for that is that when you start to move your body, it's like if you look at the radio station asleep and radio station awaken. If you wake up somewhere in the middle, if you start to move your body, you start to move more to awaken, and open your eyes. You let the light penetrate your iris. You move more to awaken. While if you don't move and you don't open your eyes, you will be more tuning your radio to asleep, and so the faster you start to perform techniques, the best, the better it is. All right, and do not trust your feeling of being awakened or asleep. The feelings can be completely forced by your subconscious mind. The only way for you to know if you are awakened or asleep are reality checks. They are your friends. Techniques are reality checks. Remember in the previous video I just explained how it works. So the only way to conclude where you are, you can do it only with the techniques or reality checks. Okay? So do not analyze the situation, do not conclude anything, except conclude with techniques where you are. Yes, I am asleep. Yes, I'm awakened, and that's it. It's as simple as that. And how to work on the within the dream state, or sometimes it's called spontaneous lucidity. So you are in the dream state, and pink elephant come to propose to you to have a drink, but you don't realize it's a dream. Only when you wake up, you tell yourself, how is it possible that I'm talking to a pink elephant who proposed to have a drink with me, and I don't realize I'm dreaming. Well, we are used to it. We are used to fall asleep and do not recognize the dream state. So you need to train that. So what do we do for that? During the daytime, for example, you can perform reality checks and conclude at the end of the reality check if you are awakened or asleep. Of course, you will conclude that you are awakened because you perform those reality checks during the day. And you perform 5-10 of them at different times of the day, and it becomes a habit. So that's the entrainment. You make it like a new habit, and you want that, and because you do it often, that habit will spill into the dream state. And then in the dream state, when you will perform a reality check, the reality check will become positive, and hence you conclude that it is positive, and you become lucid in your dream state, in the sleep. Okay, So that's one way of doing them. Remember, I think it was the second video of this learning stretch of videos that I proposed to you for the end of 2022. I think it was the second one. It was a shift seed, the seeding the idea of the shift. So that is exactly that. Just the idea of you being lucid in the dream state is your way of acting into that lucidity within the dream state. Spontaneous, but not really spontaneous, because you are seeding it. So there is a reason why now you have a possibility of being lucid in your dream state. So that is the seed I was talking about at the second video, I think, the shift seed. All right. Okay, guys. So if my explanation wasn't clear about the different approaches, please use the comment area and let me know if I chewed any subject of today not so well, or you would like me to chew it a little bit stronger, and I will. And please communicate in the comments area with me if you need. I will take my time to answer you as soon as I can attend. And yeah, that's it. Like the video if you really liked what I do. That's your way to say thanks to me. And enjoy the free training that I propose to you until year end. That is the purpose of the channel, you know, lucidity for all, so everyone can be lucid, thanks to free distribution of information. You can share the video, of course, with your friends, share the playlist maybe, so they can follow up with you, and I will be very happy to hear your success stories. So in the comments, please, or if you are shy to comment there, send emails to me, lucidityforall@gmail.com. Send me your story. I will be very happy to hear your story. Okay, guys, and of course subscribe to the channel and activate the notification so that you don't miss out the next videos. And what else? If you want to support me, and if you would like to also accelerate your training, everything that I teach, it is also available on my website, lucidityforall.com, where you can find all the modules, and all 3 modules are parked under the package called Advanced. So you have 3 modules there, absolutely everything, with a little bit more detail, of course, than in YouTube or wherever I'm posting these training videos, because I really took my time to sit down and, you know, do not forget any detail. So I promise in those modules you will not miss any detail. But everything I do right now with you has the potential. Or if you think I missed out something, just message me and I will make a video to catch up if I missed out something. I will try my best not to miss out anything. Okay. Not as detailed, but you know, the potential is there. Okay, so I don't say goodbye. See you in the next class in about 5 to 7 days from now, and so no goodbye. See you soon, guys. Lucidity for all. Youri Zaritski signing out. Ciao.